Hello friends, I am Priyanka Jidhe, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics at Art Science and Commerce College, Ramananda, Burli. Today, I am going to start the topic of BSc 2, Semester 3, which is matrices and relations. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about more about the complex matrices. Before going to that point, first we will see what is complex number. If I is equal to square root of minus 1, then the number z is equal to x plus iy is called as a complex number where x and y are real numbers. This x is called as real part of the complex number and y is called as imaginary part of the complex number. Now we define conjugate of a complex number. Let us define the conjugate of a complex number. If z is equal to x plus iy is any complex number, then its conjugate is denoted by z bar and which is defined by z bar is equal to x minus iy. That is, we have to change the sign of imaginary part. Now we will see what are the complex matrices. The matrices whose elements whose sum of the elements are complex numbers are called as complex matrices. The matrices whose sum of the elements are complex number, when we say that matrices are complex matrices. Now we define conjugate of a matrix. Let us see definition of conjugate of a matrix. A matrix is obtained from any given matrix. A matrix is obtained from any given matrix A on replacing its elements by corresponding conjugate of complex number. Is known as conjugate of a matrix. See, a matrix is obtained from any given matrix A on replacing its elements by corresponding conjugate of a complex number is known as conjugate of a matrix. It is denoted by A bar. Let us see one example. If A is equal to 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 7i, 3 minus I, 2, 3 plus 6i, 4, 4 minus I, 2 minus 9i, 2 plus 8i. Then find its conjugate. So solution is, we have here A is equal to 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 7i, 3 minus I, 2, 3 plus 6i, 4, 4 minus I, 2 minus 9i, 2 plus 8i. Now we find conjugate of this matrix, which is denoted by A bar. Let us take conjugate of each element of this matrix. So first we take conjugate of 2 plus 3i, which is 2 minus 3i. Since we have to change the sign of imaginary part only. So now conjugate of 4 minus 7i is 4 plus 7i. Conjugate of 3 minus I is 3 plus I. Conjugate of 2 is 2, since 2 is a real number and conjugate of real number is real number. Then 3 plus 6, conjugate of 3 plus 6i is 3 minus 6i. Conjugate of 4 is 4, since again 4 is a real number. Conjugate of 4 minus I is 4 plus I. Conjugate of 2 minus 9i is 2 plus 9i. And conjugate of 2 plus 8i is 2 minus 8i. This is our conjugate of a matrix A. So next we define transpose of conjugate of a matrix. We define transpose of, now we define transpose the conjugate of a matrix. So the transpose of conjugate of a matrix A is known as transpose the conjugate of a matrix. The transpose of conjugate of a matrix A is known as transpose the conjugate of a matrix. It is denoted by A raised to theta. Obviously, transpose of conjugate of a matrix is same as conjugate of a transpose of matrix. That is, we have A, its conjugate, that is A bar dash is same as A dash, its bar is same as A raised to theta. That is, we take either first transpose and then take its conjugate, or first take conjugate and then takes its transpose. That is, if we take either first take its conjugate and then take its transpose, or first take its transpose and then take its conjugate, both are equal. Let us see one example. Question: if A is equal to 7i, 4, 5 plus 4i, 7 minus 3i, 8, 8 minus 5i. Then find transpose the conjugate of a matrix. So our question is, if A is equal to this matrix, then find transpose the conjugate of a matrix A. So solution, here we have A is equal to 2 plus 3i, 4 minus I, 2 plus 9i, 3 minus 7i, 4, 5 plus 4i, 7 minus 3i, 8, 8 minus 5i. Now first we take its conjugate. So it is denoted by A bar. Now we take conjugate of each elements of this matrix A. Now conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. Conjugate of 4 minus I is 4 plus I. Conjugate of 2 plus 9i is 2 minus 9i. Conjugate of 3 minus 7i is 3 plus 7i. Conjugate of 4 is 4, since 4 is a real number. Conjugate of 5 plus 4i is 5 minus 4i. Conjugate of 7 minus 3i is 7 plus 3i. Conjugate of 8 is 8, since 8 is a real number. And conjugate of 8 minus 5i is 8 plus 5i. Then we take its transpose, which is equal to, which is same as A bar dash. A bar dash is equal to, we take its transpose means we interchange all the rows and columns of matrix A bar. So we write first row as a first column here. So 2 minus 3i, 4 plus I, 2 minus 9i. Now we take second row as a second column. So 3 plus 7i, 4, 5 minus 4i. And then take third row as a third column. 7 plus 3i, 8, 8 plus 5y. So this is our transpose the conjugate of a matrix A raised to theta. Now we see Hermitian matrix. Now we will see what are the Hermitian matrices. So let us see definition of Hermitian matrix. A matrix capital A is equal to Aij, means elements at the position of ith row and jth column is said to be Hermitian if ith element of A is equal to complex conjugate of ji element of A. That is, a matrix A is said to be Hermitian if Aij is equal to Aj I X bar for all I and J. For all I and J. Now, let us see example of Hermitian matrix. Let us check whether this matrix is Hermitian or not. So, our definition is a matrix A is said to be Hermitian if we get Aij is equal to Aj I bar for all I and J. So, here first we see this 2 is placed at the position of first row and first column. So, position of 2 is A11 is equal to 2, but 2 is real number, so its conjugate is same as conjugate of 2 is 2. Now, this 2 minus 3i is placed at the position of first row and second column. So, A12 is equal to 2 minus 3i. Now, we take its conjugate, that is conjugate of A12. Its bar is same as 2 plus 3i. Conjugate of A12 bar is equal to conjugate of A12 is equal to 2 plus 3i, but which is same as A21. Which is same as A21. That is, we get A12 bar is equal to A21 and A21 bar is equal to A12. Similarly, here 4 minus 3i is placed at the position of A13. So A13 is equal to 4 minus 3i. So now we take its conjugate. A13 bar is equal to 4 plus 3i, but which is same as A31. So we get A13 bar is equal to A13 is A31. So we get A13 bar. So we get A13 bar is equal to A31 and A31 bar is equal to A13. Similarly, this 5 minus 7i is placed at second row and third column. So we have A23 is equal to 5 minus 7i. Then we take its conjugate, that is A23 bar is equal to 5 plus 7i, but which is same as A32. That is, we get A23 bar is equal to A32 and A32 bar is equal to A23. Now, this one is placed at the position of second row and second column. So we get A22 is equal to 1. Its conjugate is also 1. So we get A22 is same as A22 bar. Also 9 is placed at the position of A33. So we get A33 is 9. A33 is equal to 9 and its conjugate A33 bar is equal to 9. So in this example, we get Aij is equal to Aj I bar for every I and j. Therefore, this matrix A is Hermitian. Now, let us see another things about Hermitian matrices. I take the same example. So given that A is equal to this matrix, now we take its conjugate. So we take conjugate of each elements of A. Now conjugate of 2 is 2. Conjugate of 2 minus 3i is 2 plus 3i. Conjugate of 4 minus 3i is 4 plus 3i. Conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. Conjugate of 1 is 1 since 1 is a real number. Conjugate of 5 minus 7i is 5 plus 7i. Conjugate of 4 plus 3i is 4 minus 3i. Conjugate of 5 plus 7i is 5 minus 7i. And conjugate of 9 is 9 since 9 is a real number. Now we take its transpose, that is A bar dash. Transpose means we interchange all the rows and columns of matrix A bar. So we take first row as a first column here. 2 plus 3i, 4 plus 3i. Second row as a second column, 2 minus 3i, 1, 5 plus 7i. And we take third row as a third column. So 4 minus 3i, 5 minus 7i, 9. But see here, this matrix is same as our matrix A. And this is our A raised to theta, that is transpose the conjugate of the matrix. That is, we get, if A is a Hermitian matrix, then we have A raised to theta is equal to A. If A is a Hermitian matrix, then we get A raised to theta is equal to A. Now, by definition of Hermitian matrix, we know that a matrix A is Hermitian if Aij is equal to Aj bar for all I and j. So, which implies Aii is same as Aii bar. From this, we get that these Ai's are real numbers. Since we know that conjugate of a real number is same real number, that is, we get if A is a Hermitian matrix, then every diagonal elements of that matrix are real. In the next lecture, we will see skew Hermitian matrix, properties of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, and examples based on Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. Thank you.